Hi, good morning friends. Welcome to Kitchen Gardening with me. Today we will see how to grow coriander in homemade hanging pots. For this we are going to use old waste plastic bottles. The aim is to make sustainable products from waste and recycle waste plastic bottles. As shown in the video, these bottles can be cut to any size you want with blade and scissors. I have cut these bottles like this to make hanging pots. Then the most important is drainage hole. We can heat the tool with a candle and make a drainage hole easily. Drainage holes are required so that excess water is drained out and roots don't rot. Take 4 pieces of strings of required length. Tie a knot with a string through the hole in the side of the bottle. Thus tie a knot through the holes on the other side. You can use as many bottles as you want. I have used only 3 bottles. If you are going to use more bottles, then you need to take longer strings. Friends, I know you can use your ingenuity to create better hanging pots. So now let's fill it with potting soil. It is a mixture of 2 parts garden soil and 1 part cow dung manure. Fill the pots with soil as shown in the video. These are coriander seeds. Then moisten the soil with water. These splitted coriander seeds I have brought from the local market. Sow seeds randomly as shown in the video. Friends, you can also make hanging pots like this or better. This allows recycling of old waste plastic bottles. The more plastic you recycle, the less plastic waste will be generated. Seeds should be covered with soil to protect them from birds and insects. Then sprinkle water again to create the conditions required for germination. Avoid overwatering. Overwatering to plants is also a form of wastage of water. Hang these pots in a place where there is at least 4 hours of sunlight. Sunlight is needed after germination. After 7 days, see how good the germination is. Due to the humid climate here, germination is fast. You can also grow more vegetables in less space. After 14 days. So friends, see how nicely the cilantro grows even in hanging pot. After 21 days. Care should be taken to ensure that the plants get sunlight. After 28 days, today we are fertilizing the plants so that the growth will be faster. We have less soil in the pots so it has less nutrients. For this, we have to add organic fertilizer like cow dung compost. Fertilizer can be applied anytime in the morning or evening, but water should be given after that, so that the nutrients in the fertilizer are dissolved in water and easily accessed by the root of the vegetable. After 34 days, look at the nice growth in hanging pots after fertilization. So I say you don't need a big garden to grow vegetables. We can also grow vegetables in hanging pots in less space. That's all for today. If you like the video, then cultivate the like button and share it with your friends. If you have any doubts, be sure to write in the comment box. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe because we always come up with great videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.